Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the ultimate tech showdown, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's 2024, and both these devices are making waves in the tech world. Let's break down the key features and help you decide which one is worth your hard-earned cash. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 boasts a stunning foldable display, offering versatility like never before. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max flaunts its sleek edge-to-edge OLED screen. Both devices are pushing the boundaries of design and display technology, but which one will win you over? Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is no slouch, with its powerful processor and innovative camera setup. Which one suits your lifestyle better? The iPhone 15 Pro Max thrives in the Apple ecosystem, offering seamless integration with other Apple devices. Which ecosystem aligns with your preferences? So there you have it. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max bring something unique to the table. It ultimately boils down to your personal needs and preferences. Which one would you go for? Let's keep the discussion going in the comments below.